Welcome to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will demonstrate the stock page. Let's take a look. From the dashboard, go to the side navigation bar and click on Stock. In this page, you can see all the parts that are in stock. Parts that have been ordered, inverted, issued, parts that have been returned back to the hub, and parts that are out of stock. In the first tab, you can see all the parts that are in stock. At the bottom of the page, you can see the total unique parts available, the total quantity of those parts, and total stock value available at the moment. In the Order tab, you can see all the purchase orders that have been placed to the hub or the vendor till date. You can also see the status of all the orders in the last column. In the Invert tab, you can see all the parts that have been inverted to the garage stores till date. In the Issue tab, this shows you all the parts that have been issued till date, along with the part name and the vehicle to which it has been issued. The Out of Stock tab shows you all the parts that have been issued and are no longer in stock. By clicking on the part name or number, you can see the details of the part when it was inverted along with the bill number. In Purchase Returns, you can see all the parts that have been returned to the hub along with the shipment status in the last column. The Stock Alert tab shows you all the parts that have been inverted through the job card and are not yet been issued to the vehicle. This is how the stock page gives you an overview of the entire inventory in your garage and helps you plan your future stock purchases. Thank you for watching.